Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and yes, another unboxing, and yes, another note. This is the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G. So let's start the video, show you what I'm talking about. Pat. Alright guys, so here we have the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G, and I actually picked up the white model. I actually picked this up on the Samsung website, and I got it with a nice deal with a trade-in, so big shout out to Samsung for making all these trade-in deals that a lot of people are actually buying this phone. So let's just start the unboxing. I'm not going to make this video super long. I just really wanted to show you guys what comes in the box. Now, if you guys want to read the back of the box, you guys can pause this and read it for yourself. You definitely can. Alright, so let's just pop open these stickers real fast. You got one on the top left, one on the bottom right. Alright, so let's just pop this out, just like so. I really have been looking forward to this one, because I haven't had a Samsung device since the Galaxy S20, but I seem like that one's way too small. Here we go, guys. The moment you guys been waiting for. I didn't get it in the Mystic Black. I didn't get it in the Mystic Copper. I got it in white. Oh man. My white balance is about to go off the hook. Alright, so here's the back of the phone. Samsung logo is right there. Check out that hump though. Wow. Definitely has like a chrome touch to it. Makes it look absolutely beautiful. Alright, so let's just peel this off. It seems like you got a back sticker. So if you peel this off, then you definitely have to get a screen protector. But let's just put this to the side real fast, and let's see what you get in the box. Now, it's been a little bit of a commotion on Twitter because you don't get the case, you don't get headphones. If you have the unlocked version from the US, basically you get your charging brick and your charging cable. That's all you get. So nothing really much to unbox here. I think this is the 25-watt version. Right here, you guys can pause that and read it for yourself. Definitely can. Alright, put that back aside. And that's all you get. Wait, something right here. Let's check on the inside here. Alright. And this is probably where the case would have been. But no case. We do get some pamphlets here, if you guys are interested in that. And you have your SIM ejection tool for your SIM card / micro SD card. Now let's just take a look at the phone. Alright. Beautiful, beautiful device. I mean, to have a camera hump that big, this camera better be amazing. So you do have the chrome accents all around. Make a beautiful, beautiful device. That better not be scratches. That better be some film right over there. But let's just start this baby on. Alright. Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G. Now, with the US model, you do get the Snapdragon 865 Plus, which is basically probably just an overclocked 865. But this is what it looks like. So you guys let me know what you guys think about the white model. Definitely a beauty. The last time I had a white Samsung phone, it's been a very, very long time. Alright guys, so that's about it for the unboxing. So if you guys like this video, hit it with a thumbs up. And subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I will have a lot of videos on the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. So just stay tuned and follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this. Peace and love. I'll see you guys in the next video. Alright, so peace and love. I'll see you guys in the next video. Shout out to the trolling.